Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Volkswagen Golf Comfortline Wagon, stock reference number 4568. This shape runs from the 12th month 2008 through to the 1st month 2016. It has a CAVD 1.4 litre twin turbo petrol engine, backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. CAVD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right hand halogen headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Right front aftermarket alloy mag, 18-inch, good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear aftermarket 18-inch alloy mag with good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate has 1 small dent. Right hand tail light. Right rear aftermarket 18-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent, as does the right front door. Right guard has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front aftermarket 18-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey cloth centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.